Sponges filter water, jellyfish drift in currents, earthworms burrow through soil, insects pollinate flowers, fish inhabit coral reefs. Bacteria are prokaryotic. They lack a true nucleus. This is binary fission. Archaebacteria survive in extreme environments.
Land plants began their journey. Mosses conquered the wet rocks. Ferns and conifers then arose. Flowers brought complex reproduction.
How can scientists study millions of different organisms?